guys, natapos ko na yung script sa GLF using Google Docs. Computer really save time. Imagine kapag sinulat ko siya using my hands, sobrang nakakapagod yun.
Okay, bye kuya. You know what, tama ka. Nakakausap ko rin si kuya kahit nasa ibang bansa siya. And alam mo yun, kapag wala yung tulong ng computer ko, hindi ko siya makakontact and hindi kami makakapag-communicate sa isa't isa.
Alam niyo, tama kayo. Computers really help talaga. Pero my back and my eyes is so killing me. Like, oh my God, too much screen time.
Yes, panalo na naman. I've been playing for 7 hours straight. Who needs sleep, right?
Ano ba? Diyan, tumulong ka nga dito naman na yan.
Kaya nga, dahil pa inilipit dito, oh.
Supay, aray mo mukha mo, umaguga siya kaya.
Oy, tama muna yan. Tigil mo muna yan.
Mamaya na, isang laro pa.
Hala, best. Nahack yung Facebook account ko. Nakapost ako ng weird stuff.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, lagi mo i-update ang password mo, tsaka huwag kang mag-tweet ng kung ano-anong link. Kaya ganyan yung nangyari.
Hindi ako gusto yung anak niya. Ano?
Oo ba?
Wala si Washin eh.
Hindi siya totoo. Guys, wait lang. I have a question. Are computers a blessing or a burden to us?
For me, it's a blessing. Kasi we can communicate fast and research quickly and also be productive through computer.
Totoo naman, pero ang impact niya sa akin hindi okay. Sumasakit yung likod ko, yung ulo ko from sitting in front of my computer.
Inamin ako. Addicted ako. Kaya hindi ako nakakatulong sa household chores dahil sa gaming.
At hindi safe ang online. Privacy and big issue.
But if we use computers wisely, they are powerful tools and it's up to us talaga kung paano natin gamitin yung computer.
Computer are helpful for education and communication.
But we must be take care for our health and time.
Balance is the key. Gaming is fun, but not 24/7.
We should be responsible online to protect your privacy.
So, do computers improves or harms our lives?
It
It
depends on how we
use
use them.
If used wisely,
They are a blessing and not a burden.